Real sound of black hole. The Perseus cluster is a cluster of galaxies located 240 million light-years away from Earth. Recently, NASA released an audio of the sound of a black hole located in the center of this cluster. We know that sound does not travel in space because it does not have a medium to travel through. But galaxy clusters have so much gas that they provide a medium for sound to travel. The pressure waves sent out by this black hole caused ripples in the hot gases in the cluster. These ripples were studied by the Chandra X-ray Observatory, and this data was transcribed into notes. However, these notes were not audible to the human ear. So a process known as sonification made these notes amplified and audible to us.